What have you done risky lately? I mean, really. Do you risk things? Do you take chances? When was the last serious risk you took? Hi, it's Bill. It's Creative License, and today I'm talking a little bit about your business and your life. I mean, the things that you've done in the past that have been the most impressive, of course, have been when you've done something risky, right? You did a risky thing, you learned something. It was a good thing, it was a bad thing. You should have done it. Maybe you shouldn't have done it, but it was usually when you were younger. It was usually when you had less and less to chance, right? So when you started your DJ business, did you take a risk? Did you buy a bunch of gear and did you put it out there to see if you got hired? Did you hear what everybody else was supposed to do, which is maybe go out in the end of the dock or find a diving board on a pool? Or did you go down in the middle of the street and decide to jump into the canal in the area where you work? Did you stand there on the edge of the edge of the bridge looking around for the police? Did you worry that somebody might catch you while they were doing a thing? Did the risk become more while you decided, well, should I jump? Should I not jump? If they catch me on video, am I supposed to be able to do something, right? Will it be a bad thing or a good thing? These are the things that keeps you from trying, okay? Now, some things are unbelievably dangerous. Some things you should not do. It could just hurt you. But if you remember when you were young, when nothing could hurt you, nothing at all, okay? You were completely, nothing, and you were invincible, okay? That's when you had the most success. That's when you tried the most things. That's when you learned the most things. So are you taking chances? Can you take a chance? Or do you stand at the edge of the precipice looking around whether or not anybody's going to see you, whether or not you're going to get caught? And even though you know you can, will you stand there and wait for the police to come by and tell you to stop? What do you think will do better? What kind of a person are you? Do you risk it? Do you not risk it? I know, it's weird to think about. And they're thinking about it too, because now I think they know that I'm videotaping. So the risk has grown greater, or the chance of them actually becoming famous has become greater. Who knows? What are you doing every day? What risk are you taking? Okay, this is Bill. This is Creative License. And I'll see you next week.